Good morning, students. In this video, we will do exercise 3.2 NCERT page number 49. Question number 3rd, fifth part, 4 upon 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. So, standard form में convert करने के लिए अपन क्या करेंगे? If we take LCM as 3, then this will be 4x plus 6 of y minus 24 is equals to 0. Implies that the equation will be 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equals to 0 first. And the second equation is 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. So, now what we have to do in this question, first हम इसकी algebraic conditions check करेंगे and then we will find that the lines will intersecting or parallel or coincide, because किसी भी system of linear equation के लिए basic 3 possibilities है, या तो line intersect करेगी, या फिर lines parallel होगी, या फिर line एक दूसरे को overlap करेगी. So first of all, check A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2, 4 upon 2, that is 2:1. Then B1 upon B2, that is 6 upon 3, that is again 2:1. Then C1 upon C2 is equals to minus 24 upon minus 12, again 2:1. So A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. That is 2:1 equals to 2:1 equals to 2:1. So the lines will coincide. अगर line coincide होगी, then system will consistent and dependent. So system will consistent and dependent and have many solution. So 3 possibilities for each line. अगर A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2, line will coincide, करेगी, then there will be 1000 point on the lines which will satisfy first as well as second. Therefore, we will say many solution, or nature of system होगा consistent and dependent. Read the question. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So question number first is, the system is x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0, and second equation is 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. First, the system is given in this way, so we will compare with the standard form. So on comparing with the standard form of linear equations in linear pair of equations in 2 variable, that is, let first a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So this is the standard form of pair of linear equation, and this is the pair of given linear equation. So here a1 upon a2, comparing, a1 is the coefficient of x in first equation, a2 in second, so this is 1 upon 2. Then b1 upon b2, that is 1 upon 2, and c1 upon c2 is equals to also minus 5 upon minus 10, that is minus plus 1 by 2. So implies that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. That is 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. So if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, then the lines will then the lines will coincide so the system is consistent and dependent. So the system is consistent and dependent, so it have many solutions. Now we have to solve graphically. So first we will draw the graph of first equation. So solution of x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. To solve graphically this equation, first we will take at least 3 pair of solutions. So to solve this graphically, first make one table and let us suppose this is xy and take at least 3 set of solutions for this equation. So how we will solve? First we will express this equation in x in term of y. So this will be minus y plus 5. Now if we put y is equals to 2, then minus 2 plus 5, so x will be equals to 3. If we put y is equals to 3, then minus 3 plus 5, y is equals to 3, then x will be equals to 2. And if we put y is equals to 4, then it will be minus 4 plus 5, so x will be is equals to 1. In this way we will find at least 3 set of solution. Then we will draw the graph of this equation on graph paper. So this is the solution of equation number first. Similarly, we will find solution of equation second. Second equation is 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0 on dividing by 2 throughout. So x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. So this is the same equation. So we can take again, just we have to take same point. So x, y, 3, 2 first set, 2, 3 second set and 1, 4 is third set. Now to draw the graph of these two lines on graph paper, draw two mutually perpendicular lines. Let us suppose x o x dash and y o y dash. Scale on x-axis. On x-axis, let 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, and on y-axis also 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Now draw the graph of these two lines. So the first point is 3, 2. On x-axis 3, 1, 2, 3. Y-axis 1, 2. So this is 3, 2, 1 point. Then second point is 2, 3. This is 2, 3 and then 1, 4. 1, 4. So this is the first equation. The graph of first equation. Similarly, the second is also same point. So second line will coincide in this way. So this is the graphical solution because lines are coinciding each other. So every set of point will be solution of the equation first as well as second. Therefore, the system is consistent and dependent and it have many solutions. Hope it is clear. Please pause the video and note down. Question number second. x minus y minus 8 is equals to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equals to 0. So first we have to check whether the system is consistent or inconsistent. So find a1 upon a2 is equals to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is equals to minus 1 upon minus 3, that is 1 upon 3, and c1 upon c2 is equals to also minus 8 upon minus 16, minus minus plus, 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. So if a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2, then system will inconsistent and graphically lines will parallel to each other. So the system is inconsistent. System is inconsistent and lines will parallel to each other. So it has no solution. Now graphically how we will solve? So first, for the drawing of graph, solve the first equation. So solution of equation x minus y minus 8 is equals to 0. How we will solve this, or how we will draw the graph of this equation? So we have to take at least 3 solution sets. So make a table. Then this way x, y, express the equation x in term of y and constant. So this will be y plus 8, x will be equals to y plus 8. Put y is equals to minus 4, then x will be minus 4 plus 8, that will be 4. So y is equals to minus 4, then x will be plus 4. Put y is equals to minus 6, y is equals to minus 6, then this x will be minus 6 plus 8, so that this will be plus 2. And if put y is equals to minus of 5, y is equals to minus 5, then x will be equals to plus 3. So this is the solution set for equation first. Similarly, this you can solve orally also, because the solution set should be correct. So now for the second equation, solution set for second equation. So solution of equation second, 3x minus 3y, 3x minus 3y, 3x minus 3y is equals to 16. So it can be expressed in term of y. So 3y plus of 16. So x will be equals to 3y plus 16 upon 3. So this is your table for x and y. Now you have to take at least 3 solutions. So if we put y is equals to, let us suppose 0, y is equals to 0, then x will be 16 by 3. And if we put y is equals to 1, then this will be 3 plus 16, 19 by 3, because this will be in rational form. And if we put y is equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 1, then it will be minus 1, then it will be minus 3 plus 16. So minus of 13, that is 13 by 3. Now To draw the graph of these two lines, first take the graph paper and at the center of graph paper, draw two mutually perpendicular lines, that is one is x-axis and another is y-axis, while taking proper scales. So let the graph paper and the mutually perpendicular lines on the graph paper are these XO x days, YO y days. Now to draw the graph of these two lines, first solution set is 4 comma minus 4. So x is 1, 2, 3, 4, y is minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, minus 4. This will be 4 comma minus 4. Second, when x is equals to 2, then y is equals to minus 6. So minus 6 का मतलब this will be the minus 6. So 2 comma minus 6, and when x is equals to 3, then minus 5. So this is 3 comma minus 5. On joining these two lines, we will find in this way one line which will represent x minus y minus 8 is equals to 0. Now to draw the graph of second line, when x is equals to 16 by 3, 16 by 3 means simply you can divide 16 by 3, so 5 3s are 15 and carry 1.0, 5.3 approximate. So when x is 5.3, x is 5.3 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then y will be 0, so 1 point will be this. We can write 16 by 3 comma 0. Then next point is 19 by 3, so you can divide 19 by 3, so 6 3s are 18 and carry 1 again 6.3, so this is 5 6.3 and y is equals to, in this case y will be equals to 1. So this will be the another point. So this is 19 by 3 comma 1, and then when x is equals to minus 1, then y is equals to minus 1. अगर y की वैल्यू minus 1 है, ये y is equals to minus 1 है, then x is 13 by 3 means at least this is x is your 4 point something. 4 point something means 4 point something. So 1, 2, 3, 4 point something. So this will be the third point. And if we join freehand these two lines, then this will be the parallel line to previous line. So this equation will be 3x minus 3y is equals to 16. So these two lines are parallel to each other because you have to draw exactly on graph paper. To understanding, I am drawing on this whiteboard. Now question number next is third part. The system of equations is given 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0, and second is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the system of linear equation. Again, first we have to check whether the system of pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. So to check it, first find a1 upon a2, that is 2 upon 4, 1 upon 2. Then b1 upon b2 is equals to 1 upon minus 2, and c1 upon c2 is equals to minus 6 upon minus 4, that is 3 upon 2. implies that A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2. So the system is consistent and the lines will intersect each other and it has unique solution. So to find that unique solution, we have to draw the graph of these two lines. So now for graphical solution, first we will draw the graph of first equation. So solution of equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Find at least 3 set of solution. So this is the table for the solution set x and y. So to find the solution of any given linear equation, first we have to express the equation y in term of x and constant. So this y will be equals to minus 2x plus 6. If we put x is equals to 1, then y will be equals to minus 2 plus 6, that will be 4. If x is equals to 2, then y will be equals to minus 4 plus 6, that will be 2. And if x is equals to 3, then y will be equals to 0. So in this way we can take 3 solution sets. Similarly for equation number 2. Now solution of equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. So on dividing by 2 throughout this equation, so it will be equals to 2x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0, implies that y will be equals to 2x minus 2. So for the set of solutions, make one table, let x and y. If we put x is equals to here 1, then y will be equals to 0. If we put x is equals to 2, then y will be equals to also 2, because 4 minus 2, 2. X is equals to 3, then 6 minus 2, 4. So these will be the solution set. Now draw the graph of these two equations. So to draw the graph on graph paper, first draw two mutually perpendicular lines, that is one is x-axis and another is y-axis. So let this one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. So x-o x days, y-o y days. Now first equation, when x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 4 first point. Then when x is equals to 2, then y is equals to also 2. So this is 2, 2. When x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 0. So this will be the first equation's graph. So we will write 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. Similarly for second equation, the solution set is first 1, 0. So 1, 0, this will be the first point, 1, 0. Then second 2, 2, this is the common point which is in the first also, 2, 2, and third is 3, 4. So this will be 3, 4. If we join these point by the free hand, then we will find this type graph. So this is the graphical representation of second equation. 2x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. And by simple observation, these two lines are intersecting at this point 2, 2. So solution set is P2, 2. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.